Today we have the 2022 Mercedes-Benz EQC. This vehicle has done just over 78,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our settings, Mercedes Me and apps, EQ, comfort and media, radio, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.